As a school head of Caloocan City Science High School, I, Philip A. Villamor, have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion of school year 2023-2024, composed of 147 learners. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted to my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion.
I hereby confirm your completion from Caloocan City Science High School for school year 2023-2024 and is eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations, Calsayeños!
Reach out for the stars. Let's make this world ours. We can do anything.
Thank you, Lord, and come
Into the blue sea. There's nothing we can't do. Take a deep breath. Let's get away to new places. Today's the day. Adventure is waiting there. Adventure is waiting there. We can go anywhere. Let's go to places we've never been. These places we've never been. This is where it begins. These places we've never been. Places we've never been. Up and far away. Making
Isa na namang batch ng mga batang Kangkalu ang nagpakita ng dedikasyon at tibay ng loob upang mapalapit sa kanilang mga pangarap. Kahit na malayo-layo pa ang inyong paglalakbay at marami pa kayong mga pagdaraanan, alam ko na matinding pagsisikap ang ibinuhos nyo upang makasama kayo sa seremonyang ito.
Take a deep breath, let's get away to new places. Today's the day, it's time to go to places we've never been. Adventure is waiting there. We can go anywhere.
Class of 2024, believe in your dreams, pursue them relentlessly, and never lose sight of the extraordinary potential that lies within each and every one of you.
These places we've never been. This is where it begins. places we've never been.